Welcome back to TechNova AI 12, where artificial intelligence meets future tech. Today, we're diving deep into OpenAI's latest and most powerful creation ever, GPT-5. This isn't just another AI update, it's a complete revolution that's about to change the way we think, work, and even live. So make sure you watch till the end, because what GPT-5 can do will blow your mind. Let's start simple. What exactly is GPT-5? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a type of AI model designed to understand and generate human-like language. But GPT-5 takes things to a whole new level. It's not just talking, it's thinking, reasoning, and learning in ways no AI has done before. OpenAI has trained GPT-5 on massive new datasets, improved reasoning accuracy, and made it capable of handling multimodal input, meaning it can understand text, images, audio, and even video all together. In short, GPT-5 is like giving your computer a brain that can understand context just like a human. So what really sets GPT-5 apart from GPT-4 or ChatGPT today? 1. True reasoning ability. GPT-5 can actually follow complex instructions, plan step by step, and make logical conclusions instead of just guessing. 2. Memory upgrade. For the first time, GPT-5 can remember long conversations and previous sessions, meaning it can learn about you and your needs over time. 3. Real-world connection. It can access live data, connect to apps, and perform real-time actions like booking tickets, analyzing financial data, or controlling smart devices. 4. Emotion and voice understanding. Yes, GPT-5 can detect tone and emotion in your speech and reply naturally. So, what can GPT-5 really do in the real world? Here are a few jaw-dropping examples. It can code entire software systems in minutes faster and cleaner than most developers. It can generate movies, music, and 3D art just from simple text prompts. It can analyze medical scans, summarize research papers, and even assist doctors with early diagnosis. It can run customer support, manage emails, or automate entire business operations. In the USA, GPT-5 could redefine industries overnight. Jobs will evolve, some will vanish, but many new opportunities will appear in AI management, robotics, and data science. Education and healthcare will become more personalized and intelligent. Defense and cybersecurity will rely on smarter AI systems to predict and prevent global threats. Simply put, the US tech landscape will never be the same again. But here's the big question: where does this all lead? Experts believe GPT-5 might be the first step toward artificial general intelligence, or AGI, an AI system that can think and learn just like a human. That's both exciting and a little scary. So, what do you think? Is GPT-5 the beginning of a smarter future or the start of something we might not control? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.